Hello everybody, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can reverse image search on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, launch any web browser that you'd like. I'll go with Safari. Then just enter the google.com URL. Next you gotta, at the top part of the web page, enter the image section. Next, tap on this small and capital A letters. Go for the request desktop website option. Once the desktop version is successfully accessed, then right at the search bar, tap on this little camera icon. At the following page, you can either pass the image URL link if you have one, or simply upload it from your phone gallery, which I'll do myself. So I'll just upload it from the gallery. Let's say I'll go I don't know, with this picture. Choose. Next, just frame what part of image you would need to search for, or like if you need the full image, just widen this frame all over the picture. And as you can see, it momentarily provides you with some simple matches. But if you would like to get some search results as well, not only the visual picture matches, just tap on the search, or not search, of course, find image source at the top, and just like so, you will be able to see all the matches basically that Google can possibly provide you with. Basically, if your image, if once using the search through image will provide you with little all sizes icon right over here, just tap on it and it will also show the results that do not correspond with the size of the picture but do correspond with the picture itself. So it's if there are any entries of the searched image but in different sizes, it will provide you with such results as well. In my case, as you can see, there are no other sizes of the picture has been found, so it does not provide me with such feature, but just so you know. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.